How to fix Microsoft Teams app not showing notifications. So if you want to fix Microsoft Teams app not showing notifications, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser and then go with Microsoft Teams. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, now let me tell you that if you've not turned on your desktop notifications for your Microsoft Teams app, then you won't have notifications. So what you need to do is turn on the notifications. To do that, you can have a message on the top where it says turn on desktop notifications, which is right here in my case. So if you get this kind of message on the right side, you will have turn on option. You need to just simply go and turn it on and go with allow, which will be on the left side. And that's it. Your notifications are all on. If you don't get this message, then what you need to do is go with the three dots, which will be on the top. And from here, you need to go with settings. Now, under settings, you need to go with notifications and activity. And from here, you need to unmute all of the notifications. If you have muted, then you just need to simply go and toggle this option off. And then go and select all of the other options. Like if you want the display notifications, the sound notifications, scroll down, and then your chat notifications, meeting notifications, you need to go and turn on all of the notifications. And in this way, you'll be able to fix your Microsoft Teams app not showing notifications. But if it still doesn't work, then you just need to simply go and refresh your browser. Or go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then go with help. Under help, you need to go with about Chrome and make sure that your Chrome is updated. After updating your Chrome, you need to go back and refresh your page or just reuse your Microsoft Teams application or on your browser. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.